Hey there, fellow tomato enthusiasts. Are you eager to sink your teeth into juicy, homegrown tomatoes sooner rather than later? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm going to share some super easy tips to speed up the tomato growing process. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right varieties. Some tomato varieties are known for their speedy growth and early harvests. Look for varieties like Early Girl, Sun Gold, or Sweet 100S. These little guys are like the sprinters of the tomato world, ready to produce delicious fruit in no time. Now, when it comes to planting, start with good quality seeds or seedlings. You want to give your tomatoes the best possible start in life, right? So, make sure you're using fresh, high-quality seeds or healthy seedlings from a reputable source. When planting your seedlings, be sure to give them plenty of room to grow. Tomatoes love their space. Space them about 18 to 24 inches apart in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. And don't forget to add some compost or organic fertilizer to give them a nutritious boost. Next up, let's talk about watering. Now, tomatoes are thirsty plants, especially when they're young. But here's the thing, too much water can actually slow down their growth. So, aim for deep, infrequent watering rather than shallow, frequent watering. This encourages the roots to grow deeper and stronger, helping your tomatoes reach their full potential faster. Another key to speeding up tomato growth is providing proper support. As your tomato plants start to grow, they'll need a little help staying upright. You can use stakes, cages, or trellises to support them and keep those precious fruits off the ground. This not only speeds up growth by allowing more sunlight and air to reach the plants, but also prevents diseases and pests from ruining your harvest. Pests and diseases. Every gardener's nemesis, right? Well, to keep your tomatoes healthy and thriving, be sure to keep an eye out for any signs of trouble. Inspect your plants regularly for pests like aphids or diseases like blight, and take action immediately if you spot any issues. Whether it's hand-picking pests, using organic sprays, or practicing good crop rotation, prevention is key to keeping your tomatoes on the fast track to success. The moment we've all been waiting for, harvesting those beautiful, ripe tomatoes. Now, the key to harvesting tomatoes sooner rather than later is to pick them at the peak of ripeness. This means waiting until they're fully colored and slightly soft to the touch. Trust me, there's nothing quite like the taste of a sun-ripened tomato straight from the vine. With these simple tips, you'll be enjoying delicious, homegrown tomatoes in no time. So, roll up your sleeves, get out in the garden, and let's grow some tomatoes together. Happy gardening!